In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Renderforest Typography. If you want eye-catching animated text for intros, announcements, social posts, or explainer videos, Renderforest's typography packs make it fast and simple. I'll walk you through logging in, finding the right pack, opening it in the editor, customizing it to fit your message, and exporting a polished result. First, log into Renderforest. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. Make sure you have a stable internet connection because the editor relies on online rendering. Take a second to look around so you know where things are, but we'll head straight to the top search bar next. At the top of the page, click into the search bar and type the word typography. This pulls up a collection of animated text templates and packs. These packs are pre-designed sequences where the text is the star of the show. Clean transitions, bold movement, and layouts built to highlight your words. Scroll the results and hover over the options to preview how they animate. Pay attention to each pack's style, pacing, and mood. If you're making a quick social teaser, a fast and punchy pack works well. For a professional explainer, choose something cleaner and more minimal. Also glance at the aspect ratio and length so it fits where you'll publish. Once you've found the typography pack you want, select it to open the template page. Here you can usually watch a full sample. When you're confident it matches your needs, open it in the editor to modify and customize. Inside the editor, you'll see placeholders for text and, in many cases, color controls, font options, and scene timing. Replace the sample text with your message, one scene at a time. Keep phrases short and clear to match the animation speed. If your text feels rushed, trim the wording or slow the scene timing if the template allows it. Align the color palette with your brand. Adjust primary and accent colors for contrast and readability. Choose a font that complements the motion style. Bold for impactful statements, lighter for a refined look. Preview often as you edit. Use the built-in preview to check flow, spelling, and rhythm between scenes. If the pack supports audio, add background music or a voiceover that doesn't overpower the text. When everything looks right, proceed to export. Select your desired resolution and format, then start rendering. Rendering may take a few minutes depending on complexity. When it's done, download your video and you're ready to share. That's it. Log in, search typography, pick a pack, customize in the editor, and export a crisp, professional animated text video.